Not a red sock with white clothes. Did she just use dish soap instead of dishwasher detergent? Oh, I can't watch this. Whew. Those were some scary shows. They reminded me of some mistakes I made when I was learning how to wash the laundry and dishes. I, too, ruined my favorite white shirt by washing it with colored clothes, and I once put dish soap in the dishwasher instead of dishwasher detergent. It filled the room with bubbles and made such a mess. I almost broke the dishwasher. In this lesson, you get to learn skills some adults have to learn the hard way. How to wash the laundry and the dishes without destroying your clothes or the dishwasher. You may have noticed that this lesson doesn't have guided notes like typical lessons in this course do. Instead, you'll find QR codes in the activities. These QR codes will take you to videos that you can watch when you feel ready. Let me show you what I mean. During the first day of this lesson, which is, well, today, you'll learn how to wash the laundry. As you read through the steps in this activity, you can highlight or otherwise make note of any concepts that are new to you and anything you find interesting. As you get farther into this activity, you'll find a QR code that will take you to a video and give you more useful details about doing the laundry. Be sure to access that before moving on. Then you can finish off day 1 with the first level of the online practice. Then on day 2, you get to complete the activity called Laundry Simulation. In this activity, you'll use what you learned on the previous day. And don't forget to complete the second level of the online practice on day 2 also. During day 3 of this lesson, you get to learn all about washing the dishes. You'll complete the activity called How to Wash the Dishes and also have a QR code to scan or click on to get additional information. Then finish off day 3 with the third level of the online practice. When you're older, you'll look back and be glad you learned these skills now before you make any costly mistakes. After all, as we travel back, we learn forward. Every past lesson builds a brighter future. See you next time. Hey, hey.